walk around video here of a 1994 black Toyota Supra with a single turbo. A few rock chips and nicks in the paint there. Headlights have been refurbished. Got the clear corners. There's a little outer ding right there where the paint's coming off. Worst spot on the car here is a ding right there. A little bit of paint starting to chip off there. It was on the car when I got it. Rims. Paint has a nice shine to it. A few little nicks on the mirror there. There's like two dings down the side door here that I don't think I'll be able to get in the video. One right there, and one right there. Paint wearing off on the inner door handle a little bit. Glass is in good shape. Roof's in good shape. Clear corners on the front and rear. Tail light's excellent shape. Some of the clear, couple spots here starting to wear off a little bit. Again, original paint. 17-year-old car. This side, don't see any dings or anything down this side. Couple chips in the mirror, nicks in the mirror. There's a couple of spots here where somebody's tried to touch it up with some black paint. One there and one right here. It doesn't look the greatest. The rim. Rims have some minor scuffing here and there, but nothing real bad. And that's it.